Sometimes when you try to send an SMS to a contact, then the SMS won't be delivered, and then you will see this message not delivered. You may also see a message not delivered error in your iPhone. Now why this happens is because iMessage is a special type of messaging service that you can use only between two iOS devices. Both of the devices should have iMessage service activated. So if you are trying to send iMessage from your iPhone to another Android device, it will not work. So in that case, you have to send SMS as a plain SMS, not as an iMessage. So what you do is go to settings here, scroll down and go to messages here, and make sure that this iMessage option is deactivated. So once you deactivate this iMessage option, open this SMS application from here and try to send an SMS to the contact and check if you can send SMS or not. Hopefully this should fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.